What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the product activation failed error in Microsoft Word. First, close Microsoft Word if it's currently open. Next, open File Explorer and go to your local disk. Open either Program Files or Program Files x86, depending on where your Microsoft Office is installed. After that, open the Microsoft Office folder, then open the Office 16 folder, or the folder that matches your Office version. Look for the OSPPREARM file. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. A command prompt window will briefly appear and close automatically. Run the same file administrator 2 more times. Once you're done, restart your computer and open Microsoft Word again to check if the activation error has been resolved. If the error is still there, press Windows plus R, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter. Find Microsoft Office in the list. Select it, then click Change. Choose Online Repair and make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Then click Repair and wait for the process to finish. After the repair is complete, restart your computer once more and open Microsoft Word again. If the problem still persists, you'll need to activate Microsoft Office using a valid Microsoft account, product key, or Microsoft 365 subscription. And that's it. Those are the common ways to fix the product activation failed error in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.